Have you ever wondered how coffee is made in a factory? It all begins with freshly harvested coffee beans arriving at the processing plant. First, the beans are carefully cleaned to remove dirt, stones, leaves, and other unwanted materials. Next, the clean coffee beans are roasted at high temperatures. This important step creates the rich color, aroma, and flavor we love. After roasting, the beans are cooled and ground into fine coffee particles. The grind size depends on the type of coffee being produced.
The ground coffee is processed and carefully measured.
Before leaving the factory, every batch goes through quality checks. This is to make sure it meets safety and quality standards.